Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our students, Sonali Ranjan. So she has done her BSc in Zoology from St. Xavier College, Ranchi, and her Masters in Environmental Sciences from Institute of Science, BHU. And then she was preparing very hard in the live online session with us for NET-JRF as well as GATE ES. In that series, she qualified the NET-LS with us, and she was preparing for the entrance and the interview of the various IIT. In the same process, she got selected after the written and interview for the PhD program at Department of Chemical Engineering in IIT BHU. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S. Science Foundation would like to congratulate Sonali Ranjan for such a remarkable feat, and we wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences program for December 2023 in offline, live online mode, correspondence with video mode, and only correspondence mode. Along with that, institute is also providing GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering in offline, online, and correspondence mode. Institute is also offering a very comprehensive course on data analysis, which might be a bridge gapping candidate between your academic and industrial performance and as well as research. Those people who are preparing for masters in life science and environmental sciences, they are most welcome. Special preparation for the interview guidance research proposal in India as well as US or Europe is also provided by the faculty panel. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given numbers or our web page or Instagram page and YouTube. So without wasting any time, if you are targeting December 2023, start it as early as possible. Thank you.